You know the funny thing? If I hadn't put the date or the day on the title of this video, because I put days every day, random video day 1, day 2, or if there is a topic, I put a topic. So this would be random video day 25. Yes, it's a little late, a couple of hours late, 12 hours late. Uh, but if I hadn't put a date onto this, you would never know if this is the 1st of December or the 1st of January, I'm sorry, or the 25th of January. Today is, however, the 26th of January, and the 26th January video is going to come a little later. But this is about the cold. This is how cold it still is in Delhi, and it is amazing because I was talking to somebody, a friend of mine from Bombay, and he was not specifically mentioning the weather because I suppose this is some of the best times that they'll have in that pathetic city in terms of weather for sure, all through the year. But yeah, I mean, like when he was asking me what I was doing, and I told him that I was, I just had a shot of rum, and he said, "Why?" It's like, because it's really, really cold and I'm sick. And he's like, "Cold? It's 25th of January, man. It can't be cold." I'm like, "You don't know how cold it gets in Delhi, man. It's been really cold for the last couple of days." And, I sort of fell sick because of that too. So, yeah, it's very interesting that one doesn't realize that temperature variations in parts of this country is immense. In fact, I suppose the temperature variations in parts of even small states in India are immense. For example, that Samant Subramaniam book that I was reading, Following Fish, on the chapter of Kerala, it mentions that, just taking a 3-hour train from Trivandrum to Alappuzha is apparently traveling half a quadrant across the globe because, while it was dry and dusty and sunny in Trivandrum, in Alapi, 3 hours down or up, it was fresh and nice, not cold, but nice weather and everything. And I was like, wow. I mean, that's the difference that just states have in this country. And the funny thing is, I mean, everybody in India sort of bundles up India as in terms of like a single temperature zone. It's really not. It's really not. I mean, the temperature that you have in Delhi is not the same that you have in Bengal. They have different seasons altogether, which is not the same as South India, which is not the same as the Deccan Plateau, for example, which it has very different cycles. I used to stay in Pune for a year. I used to stay in Hyderabad for a year, and Bangalore for a really short time. The funny thing is, in Bangalore, I stayed during the months where it is like the core peak, hot, sunny season where there's something the loo blows in Delhi. And Bangalore was cold. It was cold. It would rain drizzle every night, and it would be cold. You would have to put a blanket over you. Well, that's weather, and yeah. I mean, almost the month is almost over, and this is the garb that I'm in. Bye.